So you will need tomato, onions, 1 Royco cube. This is garam masala, and this is paprika, and this is our butterfly spaghettis. You'll need oil. Since oil imepanda guys, itabidi tupime 1, 2. Economize. This is fresh fry. Tuna economize. And for that, I'm making spaghetti. Hey, watu wangu nowadays kamafuta tunapima kadogo juu economy imepanda. So you can see ako kamafuta tu kametosha, unaona. As long as tu kakitunguka hivi, you're good to go. So now, after that, we'll put our tomatoes. Since mafuta ni kadogo haitaivisha hizi nyanya, so tunaongeza a little bit of water. You can see that's water. As you can see, si mbaya hivyo. So we just let them simmer a little bit. Then we add in our garam masala, paprika. I love paprika because it brings a color. Kuna color inaleta hapo. Okay, hatutaziva hivyo sana. So we'll put our water. And now we wait for it to boil ndio tuweke hizi butterfly spaghettis. This is how I cook my spaghettis, guys. And sometimes I make them plain. Guys, I decided to add in a little bit turmeric powder. So you wait for it to boil. So our water has boiled, and now it's time to add in these butterfly spaghettis. I prefer cooking butterfly spaghettis because they are shiny, alafu ni slender, not like the other spaghettis. I'll have to add in a little water. So I'm going to put one Royco cube and a pinch of salt. And we wait for them to boil. Guys, if you want a better result, you can make these butterfly spaghettis. I prefer them actually. I've cooked them once. Okay, I've cooked them before and I just love them. So when I'm in a hurry, I just make these spaghetti because they are quick. And you can see the color. So you guys can see. These are the butterfly spaghettis, I'm telling you. The butterfly spaghettis. Okay, I'm not promoting any brand, but guys, I prefer these butterfly spaghettis. They are sweet. Oh my god. Even if you cook them plain, the outcome is very yummy. So we just wait a little bit and they'll be ready. And now guys, our spaghettis are ready. You can see that color, it's popping. guys. This is a quick recipe. So yeah, there you have it. Our spaghetti is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like the recipe and try it out and let me know in the comment section below.